Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the MOSENVKA BK-02 Pro. This is also known as a double magnetic multifunctional phone stand. It is MagSafe compatible. So let's open it up and take a look. Now they do include some metal plates you can use to be able to stick this to surfaces that aren't metal or magnetic. And they also include a ring so that you can use it with a phone that doesn't have magnets built into it. And of course, you got your little instruction booklet. And here's the stand itself. Comes in a nice little pouch. And there it is. Now you've got double magnets, because these are magnets on the bottom here so that it will stick to something. And then here is your MagSafe compatible magnets there. Now you can see this also has the connector that you could use to connect this to a tripod. So you've got, besides the magnets and the tripod, as well as it's a pretty large base, so it would just set on a table itself. And these, besides having magnets underneath these, are also kind of a grippy material, so that if it sits on a desk or a table, it won't slide around. And then you've got 3 hinges here so that you can go, all different kinds of configurations, tall or low. And then it also swivels, so you can turn it and swivel it as you want it. So you've got a lot of different options here. And you can see in that base here, this is a see if you can see that, 1/4 inch -20. That's the sort of the standard screw hole for majority of tripods. And you've got, the nice, just imprinted on there, MOSENVKA dual magnetic phone mount. And then on the bottom here, you've got information about the Arca-Swiss plate, BK-02 Pro, and that this is rotatable. So nice that it folds up completely so that it's easy to take with you somewhere, throw it in a case. Great for using with your phone, either just to have it on your desk or something, but also great if you're using for filming with your phone, because of the fact that with the magnets, as well as the stand, as well as the tripod mount, you can use this in so many different applications and so many different ways. Anyway, that is the mount, and that's everything that comes in the box. It's going to be it for the unboxing. Please click that like button, subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, including a full demo and review of this, so you can kind of see it in action. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can post them down below, but hopefully I will answer all those in the demo and review. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.